this is pretty much set up, but it won't fit in the connector. The glue epoxy ran down in here. I think that's the spot where it needs to be cleaned out. I got my Dremel. I'm going to attempt to clean this out a little bit. Shouldn't take much. Let's see if that did. There, it fits in now. It's getting tight too. Oh, wasn't much, but I may go ahead and clean some of the other off because I know it's as tight as it is. It's going to be difficult to get out, as you can see. And I don't really want to exert pressure on the cable any more than I have to. So I don't know if this in here is bothering it or not. I know this end doesn't, but that does have a lip there. I don't think on the back it might be a little problem. I might clean a little bit of that off too. That thing is noisy. Alright, cleaned a lot of it off. That was the main part right there. I think there's still a little bit right there I didn't quite get. There it goes. Yeah, that's looking good now. That's how she fits now. Oh yeah. Looking good. Of course, the big test is if it works or not. But it's seated all the way down in there. And how hard is it to get off? It's not easy. As long as I can get it off. That way, it's alright with me. So, I think this is a success. We'll see over time how it holds up. But for now, I'm going to call that good. Thanks for watching.